Hi guys, welcome to my Christmas countdown. This is day number 5 of the 12 cakes of Christmas. Okay, on the 5th day of Christmas, the cake that came to be is a bright golden tree. Sorry, you guys are gonna have to hear my singing voice. Okay, so for this one, I am going to do only half because unfortunately the other half kind of got stuck. But we're gonna pretend that didn't happen and that this was on purpose. And I'm going to use this half for the golden cake, which reminds me, here's a tip for the mold. When you bake the cake, don't forget about it. Cook it the right amount, and then when it comes out, don't let it go more than 10 minutes. So usually I found between 5 minutes and 10 minutes to be the perfect time to flip it over onto something else. If you let it sit longer, it will stick. And then part of it is gonna stay in the pan and the other side of it is gonna come out, and then you're gonna have to do a half cake like I do. Or you'll end up with no cake. I got lucky that half of it came out pretty decently, but the other one didn't. So, yellow fondant, ball tool, I used it to give this, can you see that, the texture? Well, the reason why I did that is because the gold paint is going to show all the texture. So, I have covered my working surface with paper towels because this is messy. And I'm gonna get my cake onto this thing, hopefully without breaking it. All right, so I covered my board with this scrapbook paper. I think it looks so pretty. And it has some little gold details, so that's why we're gonna make the whole thing match. So once it's done, I'm gonna just slide it on there and I don't have to put my fingerprints on it. So, gold sheen airbrush. So the first coat is going to go on, and then I'm going to let it sit for a little bit so that it dries out, and after a few minutes when it's dry to the touch, I'm going to give it another coat. And I'll do that until the cake is fully, completely covered in gold. So I continued and I gave this a few minutes of a break in between airbrushing it. So I did about 3 coats of the airbrush. And now I have my 24 karat gold luster. It is edible, non-toxic, intended for cakes. So this is now very dry, so my trick to make things look really realistically gold is once it's dry, I just go over it with a brush. Oh my gosh, can you guys see the difference? Watch this. So, just as soon as the brush touches it, it kind of just sticks and it makes it look perfect. Can you see that? Is that cool or what? So there, you guys know my secret now. So I'm gonna just do this to the whole cake. I painted a very perfect Christmas tree. I'm kidding. So now I will just let this slide onto that, trying to center it. We have a solid gold 24 karat gold covered cake. And if this doesn't impress your guests, I don't know what will. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching my 12 cakes of Christmas countdown. If you haven't seen the other videos, please go back and check out my other Christmas videos. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the thumbs up, and thank you so much for watching.